What's up, guys? Oh, my bracelet is caught on something. Okay, so today is gonna be another day of hanging out with Jessie. Today is gonna be an inside the dressing room. I took a poll on YouTube to see where you guys wanted me to film said dressing room, inside the dressing room. So yeah, I took a poll on YouTube to see where you guys wanted the next inside the dressing room filmed, and the consensus is ooh. See, here's the thing. You guys said Target, and then the next one is H&M, and then the next one is Old Navy. But when I read the comments, y'all got me thinking maybe I should check out Old Navy. Maybe I should just do a bunch. There's a lot of comments that mention go to Old Navy, but the consensus says Target, so we're gonna try Target. If that's a fucking flop, luckily Old Navy is right next to Target, so that means that if Target is a flop, we got Old Navy right next door. Well, what's up, guys? So we're doing it inside the dressing room at Target. There's a lot of hubbub going on. Forgot to mention, I didn't really grab much from the Even Viv or like plus size section. I mostly shop just throughout the whole clothing area. If I found something that was my size, then I just grabbed it. So I'll just show you guys what I'm wearing today. This pretty much all Forever 21, to be honest. So this shirt right here is from Forever 21 men's. This is an extra large and it is freaking-gantic. So I cut the arms off, I cut the neck off, and then I just tied this up because otherwise it would come down to here, no joke. And these shorts are from Forever 21 also. I got them a while ago. These are a size 20. And then these shoes are from Vans. Glasses I'm wearing are from Forever 21. Backpack is from Rue 21. Then this little bracelet is from Charming Charlie. My choker is also from Forever 21. I think that's it. On to the video now. This top is super see-through and kind of itchy. It's like a basic tank top, but the cool thing is right there, that little crisscross in the back. As you can see, it's kind of got like this texture. Can you see how fucking see-through this thing is? Like, it's crazy. It has like that texture to it, so it's not just like a smooth cotton, and that's why I said it's kind of itchy. So this crop top is clearly not meant for me. Yeah, let's talk about it. So the largest size that they went up to is a 2X, and I'm kind of unfamiliar with what my actual size is these days, so I kind of just went for 2X and hope for the best. This is a pretty fitted top. Like, it has the stretch up top, but it's like all along here and my upper arms that are super tight, and then this bottom keeps rolling up, you know, the problem area, but down here it's like super loose. This is just not the right size. Other than that, like, it's super cute. Okay, so here we have another 2X. This shirt fits really well. It says Je t'aime. Am I saying that right? I know I'm not. But anyways, it's just like a cotton tee, real basic. I feel like it hits me at a really good spot. It's super comfortable and really stretchy. And it's just nice and fitted and inexpensive. And you could see like where it falls in the back too. It's on camera, it's looking like true orange, but I think in person it's kind of like an orange red. So far, I think I like it. What do you guys think? Let me know. So this crop top right here I found in like the 4th of July stuff, which actually is where I found like a lot of these things. But anyways, so this crop top right here is in an extra large. I wish it was just one more size up just so I could have a little bit more room in it, but other than that, it's really comfortable. Like I said, this is an extra large. It still is super lightweight and stretchy. Comfortable, no complaints. And I kind of like the design on it. It's asteroids, nothing on the back. Real stretchy, falls at like a good place on the back too, I think. But anyways, do we like it? I think we like it. This next top is super cute and flowy and really lightweight. This is again in a 2X. I like the halter cut of it, and it's really sheer and lightweight, like I already said. Nothing on the back, really sheer, so prepare yourself for that. And since it is this kind of cut on top, most likely you're gonna have to wear either a strapless or something that's gonna have one of those crossbodies in the back or something like that, just so that your straps don't show. Because I mean, just look at that. So much better than a fucking bra strap just chilling out in front of God and everybody. I also picked this top too, which is the same exact cut, just obviously a different print on it and different color. So I'm gonna try this one on next. So here is that tank top. Again, it fits pretty much the same as that white one. Really comfortable. I think this is such a cute freaking top. I think I'm actually gonna get it. And this one is also pretty sheer, which is perfect because it's gonna be like 100+ degrees now. I really don't like this top. Like what are this? First of all, do you see how much freaking fabric is on this tie? Like that's a lot. And also it's like really gappy here. So I'm actually gonna try and like retie this to hopefully look better. I don't think so. This one I think is gonna be a for sure pass. Like I think it'd be cute if this wasn't so bulky here. Not mean, let me know what you think. This top right here, I think, okay, first of all, it's in a 2X, pretty much just like everything else here. It's super sheer and really cute, but like just not for me. But I think it would look really pretty paired with like a really dramatic high-low skirt. I think so. But for me and my body type, it hits me like right at the absolute worst possible spot. It has a little keyhole back there. Here we go. Oh. This top doesn't work for many reasons. A little too tight. This is an extra large, so I feel like, you know, had it actually been in my size, it might be cute. Other than that, like the print is really cute. I like how this flow kind of dips in under the arm. Not really anything bad to say about the cut or the style. It's just a size too small. Simple. And as you can see, that ruffle design carries all the way around the back too. So like I said, this top would be freaking cute if only it were one more size up. Okay, so this top fits pretty freaking well. I feel like this fits pretty similar to how the 2X fits, except it's slightly tighter across the bust. And I do like this detail that it has on the sides where it just kind of swoops over the hip like that. It's just really cute, and I think this is gonna be a pretty perfect shirt for 4th of July. I'll consider it because I feel like this is, I don't know, is it making my stomach look too big? You guys let me know in the comments, and then based off what you say, I'll decide if I come back and get this shirt or not, okay? Let me know. Next portion of the video is gonna be like fingers crossed, shot in the dark. We'll see how it works because it's a bunch of shorts and dresses. Again, like I said earlier, I didn't really shop in like the plus size section. So some of it, I don't know how it's gonna work, especially because a lot of my weight is on my lower region. So that needs bigger on the bottom. I'm about a size 20 right now, so fingers crossed things fit. Go ahead and say these are a no. And hopefully this isn't a sign of what's to come for the rest of them. I should mention, so these are the shorts and they are stretchy. They're in a size 2X, which I don't know what their 2X equivalates to. Is that the right word? But anyways, yeah, so obviously they did not fit. Now I'm gonna try on these size 20 from Universal Thread. Hey, these ones fit. These, like I said, are size 20 from Universal Thread. These are actually on sale for $15. So I think I'm gonna swoop them up because yeah, I need some more shorts. It's getting hot as hell outside and they're really comfortable. You can see in the back how they fit too. They're pretty short. So I grabbed this dress because I was watching Kelly be inside the dressing room at Target and she was with Jessica Torrid and Jessica tried on this dress. It looked beautiful. I grabbed it. I don't know what the fuck, how to tie it, how it's supposed to be. I'm like thoroughly I don't know, hold on. So here we go, this is the dress. Clearly it is not meant to go with these sneakers, but other than that, it's really cute. And there is like a modesty button here that you can latch together, and it opens up completely, so prepare yourself for a breeze. This would be pretty cool to like, if you're going to the beach. If you're going to the beach or the pool or something, this would be cute to just put over it after you go in the water and you can like go on about your life afterwards with different shoes. To mention, that last dress I tried on is from Ava and Viv. I mean, it's from the plus size section, and then the dress after this is gonna be from the plus size section, and this is from the plus size section. So this one's from Ava and Viv. I don't know what it was that attracted me to this t-shirt dress, but I don't know, I kind of like it. I feel like it definitely needs some accessories to like break up the monotony of the bam blue. It's cute and comfortable and I like the length, and as long as you're okay with showing your visible belly line, this would be a good one. This literally just feels like a men's polo t-shirt, so it is more of a thick material, so be prepared to possibly sweat in it. I think I like it. I feel like a freaking stewardess or something, huh? This dress is so cute. It is a little too big for me though. This is a 3X, so I think probably have to go down to a 2, maybe even a 1, just because it is so stretchy. I love the ruffles on the sleeve because they're just simple. They're not like crazy in your face, punch you with ruffles kind of shit. The big cutout in the back, and then the length is like right above the knee, and then as you can see, polka dot, which I love. And then if you get closer, there's the flowers. Again, I saw Kelly trying this on and I was like, bitch, that's cute. So when I found it, this was the only one they had, and it's a size 3X, so too big, so I'm not gonna get it. But
okay, I don't know how the lighting is, I don't know how the audio is, but whatever it is, we're just gonna deal with it, okay? Also, the AC is blasting because it's a bajillion degrees right now. It's like 100 degrees out and I'm melting. But anyways, yeah, so I just got this chill out t-shirt, which you guys saw was 13 bucks. And then I got those shorts. So it wasn't $15 for these shorts. They were, well, I got $3 off of them. So instead of them being 20 bucks, they were 17 bucks. So that was pretty cool. So anyways, in total, I spent $32.38 for this little outfit here in the quiz. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this little inside the dressing room. I was thinking about doing inside the dressing room at Old Navy, but my God, no kidding, guys. I spent like an hour and a half to 2 hours inside Target, and the majority of that was trying on clothes. And I am ready to go back into my little cave. Anyways, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments where you want me to go next. Also, let me know what your favorite item was in this whole try on, and if you agree with my choices. Anyways, that's it. I love you guys. You can follow me on all my social medias that are always linked down in the description. Remember, I go live on YouNow every first and third Friday, so find me on there. Link is in the description. I love you guys, and remember, until next time, if they ain't paying your bills, pay them no mind. Check you later.